Number 4, you must be what? Dependable. The reason why I hired virtual professional is to make my life. Praise the Lord. At least alam nyo, one thing I cannot stand, yung nagbigay ka ng trabaho, nagbigay ng project, tapos ano mo gagawin mo? From time to time, tatawagan mo. O, kamusta? Buhay ka pa ba? Hindi ba magpaparamdam? Alam mo, pag ginawa mo yan, alam mo, pag hindi ka reliable, anong mafe-feel ng kliyente mo? Magiging what? Insecure. So in other words, pag insecure ang kliyente mo, maghahanap yan ng tao na reliable. That's the reason why one rule, never make your client feel what? Insecure. Kailangan consistent ka. And the reason why you need to give your client security so you can have also income security. Consistent eh. Kaya nga very important, that's one characteristic that you need also to possess. And number 5 is versatility. You must be versatile. In other words, flexible ka dapat. Pwede makiusap, pwede. Gusto nyo kumita na malaki? Huwag parating. Kada galaw mo, may bayad. It's not part of our contract. What you need to do is develop relationship. Kasi kung pera lang habol mo, hindi ka magtatagal dito. Let me encourage you, kung gusto mo dumaming kliyente mo, never be what? Transactional. Be relational. In other words, huwag nyo titignan ng short term. Parati tingin nyo long term. Kaya nga guys, please, especially if you're starting, kung wala ka pa na-prove, huwag pa na magkano? Lalo sa HR, magkano sweldo ko? Alam mo kung ako HR lang, abuso ka. Humingi ka na katrabaho, hingi ka pa ng sweldo. Again, be relational, not only what? Transactional. Number 6 is confidence. You got to develop confidence and you got to be confident. Sabihin ko sa inyo kahit hindi kayo nakikita, nararamdaman ng tao, by chatting alone, I would determine if the person that I'm hiring or I'm working with is confident or not. So very, very important. Why should you and I be confident? Because first of all, what you're selling is not the product, it's not service. What you're selling is yourself. People buy you before they buy what you're selling. Developing confidence is this. You got to believe in yourself. Pag hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili, maniwala ka, walang maniniwala sa iyo. Kaya kasama rin dito, alam mo yung factor na yung motivation and inspiration, mahalaga 'yon. Yung tinatawag natin the value of self-worth. Pag yung worth mo, yung feeling mo, yung mataas ang confidence level mo, chances are yung presyo mo tataas din. What do I mean? If you feel that your value is only 15,000 pesos a month, the first company that offers you 15, what will you do? You will grab. What if you have earned 150,000 in the past? Yan ang level of confidence mo. What if the first company that offers you 15,000 and you know that you can make 150, what will you do? Will you accept it or reject it? You will turn it down. Yes or no? Exactly. You will never stop until such time you will find the right opportunity and company who's willing to pay you 150,000 and more. Your output in what you do is only a reflection of what you believe. If you believe that you can give good service, chances are your output will be also excellent. But if you don't believe in yourself, ganun din mangyayari. That's the reason why never ever lose confidence of your what? Client in you. Kasama rin yun. Kasi pag hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo, maaapektuhan din. Hindi mo ba napapansin? Ito lang may mga kakilala kayong mga taong galit. Katabi nyo ngayon? Hindi. Hindi, absent ngayon. Yung mga taong galit, alam mo mangyayari? They will also have the tendency to hurt other people. Ganun din. You can never give what you do not have. Or you can give whatever you have. Yung mga taong hindi confident sa sarili, ang mangyayari, tingin niya sa tao, hindi rin confident. And then another thing is what I don't know if you believe this, insecure people will make other people also feel insecure. Number 7 quality, you got to learn how to be what? Resourceful. Alam mo, the reason why companies are outsourcing because they don't have that much resource. Nagigets nyo ba? Parang ako simple lang One of my outsource is an accountant. I cannot pay a full-time accountant. Why would I hire a full-time accountant just to report my tax? So, meron akong isang virtual professional who does my books, di ba? Nagigets nyo? Filing of my VATs, yung mga VAT in, VAT out ko. Ginagawa niya yun. Sinasabi ko, Flor, baka pwede mo naman ako tulungan dito. May hinihingi na parang requirement ng company na ito, baka pwede mo naman tulungan. So in other words, kahit walang charge, minsan tinutulungan niya because he's trying to be what? Resourceful. In the process of him being resourceful, tumataas ba yung value niya o hindi? Tumataas. Kaya nga, uulit ako, babalik na naman ako, ha? Sana, never complain na hindi ako binibigyan ng support na ganito, hindi binibigyan ako ng training na ganito. No. We're all entrepreneurs here. Once you become a virtual professional, you have to learn on your own. Kailangan mag-study ka. Lalo na kung ano yung gusto mong field. Is it on writing? Is it on editing? Is it on video? Ano? Marami yan eh. Kailangan mag-upgrade ka. Resourcefulness is very important. Again, never look at what you don't have. Kung ano man meron ka, work around it. And then if you make it happen, you become more valuable.